Friday night at Plaza de Armas in Cusco. Wow, lots of stuff going on. I actually forgot it was Friday night. It's our last day here, leaving in the morning. And still lots of activity going on. And lots of security, which is good. But every night we've been out here, there's always been something going on. Music, dancing. And tonight I smell lots of good food actually cooking. I smell some good barbecue around. But Plaza de Armas is always very busy at night. Looks like it's the place to be.
So, I said I'm gonna go that way.
She can't handle. So this is cuy. I finally ordered it. Look at that cute little face on there. That's how they serve it here at the Andean Grill. Does that look good, honey? Maybe. So the waiter said he's going to take it back to the kitchen and cut it up for me. Well, look how cute. Look how cute.
How is it?
It's fine.
Can you eat the skin?
The skin's kind of tough. The meat tastes fine. It has a minty flavor to it, so they must season it with mint. You'd probably like the skin too.
No,
you like
thank.
the pork skin.
It's crunchy. If it's crunchy, probably. Can you show me the head?